GIT workflow for full stack apps. What is a GIT workflow for full stack apps? A GIT workflow for full stack apps is the structured process developers use to manage both front-end and back-end code safely using GIT. It defines how UI and back-end features are developed, how bugs are fixed, how releases are prepared, how production systems are protected, why it matters for full stack apps. One codebase may include front-end plus back-end. Changes in one part can break another. Users depend on stable systems. Deployments affect the whole product. So workflow equals coordination plus stability plus safe releases. Why full stack apps need a proper GIT workflow? Full stack teams usually work with front-end UI, React, Angular, Vue, back-end APIs, Node, Spring Boot, Django, databases, authentication, deployment configs. Without workflow, cross-mark front-end back-end mismatch, cross-mark broken builds, cross-mark hard rollbacks, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark unstable releases. With workflow, check mark stable applications, check mark predictable releases, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer deployments, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for full stack apps. Common structure. Main means production ready system. Develop means active development. Feature branches means front end or back end features. Release branches means prepare deployment. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, login UI, feature, user API, feature, payment integration, release, version 2.0.0. Hotfix, token expiry. Why? Protects production, supports parallel front-end and back-end work, enables controlled releases. Feature branch workflow. Full stack. For each task, create branch from develop, build front-end or back-end feature, test UI and API together, commit changes, push branch, open pull request, review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates work, prevents breaking main, enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark work directly on main. Cross-mark skip integration testing. Good practice. Check mark one feature per branch. Check mark one task per branch. Pull requests in full stack projects. PRs are used to review front-end code, review back-end logic, run automated tests, check integration. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark screenshots, UI changes, check mark API changes documented, check mark linked issue, task. Why? Prevents integration bugs, documents changes, improves quality. Bad PR. Cross-mark no description, cross-mark untested front-end, back-end, cross-mark huge PR. Commit strategy for full stack apps. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages, add login UI and API integration, fix checkout validation bug, refactor user service, bad commit messages, update, fix, final. Why? Easier rollback, easier debugging, clean history, daily workflow in full stack teams. Typical flow: pull latest develop, create feature branch, write front-end and back-end code, run app locally, commit changes, push branch, create PR, review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts, keeps work isolated, keeps system stable. Hotfix workflow for full stack apps. When production breaks, create hotfix branch from main. Fix bug, test full system, create PR, merge into main, merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery, keeps branches aligned, prevents repeat issues. Example: hotfix, login crash. Release strategy for full stack apps. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze features. Run full stack tests. Deploy to staging. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example. Release, version 3.0.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. Full stack. Review focuses on UI correctness, API behavior, security, performance, database impact, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer bugs, better UX, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in full stack workflow. Automation should build front-end, build back-end, run tests, run lint, deploy to staging, on every PR, run unit tests, run integration tests, check formatting. Why? Prevents broken systems, saves time, builds confidence. Tools, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Jenkins, Azure DevOps. Common full stack Git mistakes. No feature branches, direct commits to main. No integration testing, huge PRs, no version tags. Why? Risky deployments, hard debugging, poor project history, naming conventions, branches, feature, dashboard UI, feature, order API, release, version 1.5.0, hotfix, cart bug, commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example. Fix order total calculation bug. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How Git workflow helps full stack apps scale. As app grows, more users, more features, more developers, more risk. Good workflow. Check mark keeps code manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces production issues. Check mark controls complexity. Real-life analogy. Full-stack Git workflow is like restaurant kitchen system. Without system. Chaos. With system. Fast service. Branches equals cooking stations. PRs equals quality checks. Main equals served dish. In simple words, full-stack Git workflow means build carefully. Test front-end and back-end. Review changes. Release safely. Best strategy for full-stack apps. Use. Check mark feature branches. Check mark release branches. Check mark mandatory PRs. Check mark carbon monoxide, CD automation. Check mark protected main branch. Avoid. Cross mark direct main commits. Cross mark no testing. Cross mark no reviews. In full stack apps, front-end and back-end must move together. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects users. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark builds trust.